Hi, flavor unboxing. Shiro helmet. Believe it or not, it's supposed to be 100% carbon. Let's see. Here's a case. Shiro Racing helmet. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. It's actually decent quality. This here is Shiro full face helmet, model number SH335. This is actually a past model. They have a 336 out now. However, how gorgeous it is. DOT, cat, green side. It weighs nothing. Look at the carbon. Now this helmet has air vent here. Oh, and air vent here. Both sides. And back has, I guess these are where the airs come out, exit. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. This one is extra large, trying to fit this bucket onto my outside head. And this one is, as you see, full 100% carbon fiber. I think this is meshed because, and another one, the front. Neat. And oh, this is actually clear. A little bit of tint. Try to see it. So this is and also DOT. Opens. One, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 latches. This is all the way up. Let's see. There is manuals, some stickers. Oh, cool. retroreflective tapes. The blood type in case. Oh, I hope I must use that. And awesome sticker. Wish there was some more, but. And manual. I'll read it. Oh, and this one from Amazon, it cost me, I don't know, somewhere around $147. I still couldn't believe how helmet with a carbon fiber this light. Oh, I see why. So this is Shiro. It's kind of soft. Oh, Shiro. Let's try this on. Lights are up. Oh, and here is strap. Typical strap with double ring. Nothing fancy. Lining. Lining's not that bad actually. I don't think you guys can see anything, but lining's not that bad. There's actually a mesh inside, like a net. You guys can see it. So let's try this on. Ah, it fits. Perfect. Oh, oops, sorry, the stuck way inside. Okay. Well, I have a round oval head. Anyways, this fits comfortable on the side, on the front. Cheeks are comfortable. Ear side is comfortable. Okay. It has a wind protector. Let me see if I can put my glasses on. My glasses on. It's comfortable. It has enough room. Ooh, my glass got foggy in there. However, for this protector, it is quite fog. I would say fog proof, but they're very good with steam and fog. Wow, this helmet is comfortable and it's light. Now, I have a comparison with these are some old buckets that I have. This is also older model. Actually, this is my wife's helmet. So comparison of these. I just picked it up a while ago, just to see what the fit's like. This is also older model HEC. Great helmet. Now, actually, it's quite light. Slightly heavier than this one. I think it weighs maybe. Oh yeah, much lighter. However, Shoei, and this is Shiro. Today is Shiro. So today, I want to introduce you to Shiro. This one's supposed to be premium full face replica of Efren Vazquez. Nice design, very light, nice cat. Well, this was a review of the Shiro. I'll use it for 6 months, perhaps. I'll use it for 6 months, and I'll let you know how the visor works, after 6 months. Air. At the back. Oh, and the visor, I think once you remove this, it's kind of rainbow right now, but I think once you remove this, the visor becomes clear. So it doesn't come with any other extra visors or any extra parts, just stickers and your reflective tapes. This is Shiro. This is Shiro full face SH335 past model, discontinued model. But since I saw no one and I found no information regarding this helmet in the YouTube or any other site, so I thought I might want to put this up here. But as an extra large